One of the simplest ways to improve customer experience is by creating a helpful and informative FAQ page. In today's video, we're going to break down the essential elements of an effective FAQ page, using the return section from Mango's website as an example. Let's dive in and learn how to create a page that answers your customers' questions before they even ask. First things first, let's build the layout of the page. To create a sample page like the Mango FAQ page, we can combine the tab element and accordion. Besides the two elements above, we can also see a heading here. From the PageFly editor, just drag the heading and then tab element onto the canvas. Now let's set it up. Click on the heading to start styling it. For the heading, go to the General tab to change its content. Then go to the Styling tab, where you can set up the content color, font family, font size, and other styling options. Tab element has two components, tab header and tab content. We'll start with the tab header. I'll change the content of the tabs by clicking on it and checking out the General tab. You'll see the header text there. You can also choose to show an icon right here. To change the icon, just click on it and select the one you like. Next, I'm going to focus on styling the text by switching to the Styling tab. Here you can change the font size, font color, and more. I'll choose the Lato font here and then adjust the background color and font color. When adjusting the background color and styling for the tab element, make sure to pay attention to each state of the element. This ensures it stays consistent with the look and feel you want. For example, here, I will switch to the selected state to adjust the styling to match the sample page. Then, in this state, I'll also apply a bold style to the text. Notice how the text is a bit cramped. No worries. To fix this, just add some custom CSS code. We've added the code in the comment section below the video, so feel free to grab it and add it to your page. Now for the tab content, let's drag in the heading and accordion elements. Then, I'll adjust the text style, tweaking the font weight and size. In the accordion content, I'll add a heading, a paragraph, and a button. And then it's time for some final styling. Want to add a link or redirect to another page? Just click the button. General tab, click Action. Alright, now let's switch over and check the responsiveness on mobile. For the tab element, I'm going to change the header position to the top. Don't worry, this won't affect the layout on other devices. You can adjust the padding and margin to suit your preferences and make it look perfect on small screens. And voila, you now have a sleek, stylish FAQ page for your store, packed with all the essential info for your customers. Just save, publish, and check it out in live view. That's how you build an FAQ page from scratch. But here's the thing. PageFly has some ready-made FAQ templates that you can use to build your page even faster. For example, I'm going to choose the Amy template and tweak the styling to match your store. Ready to create your dream FAQ page? Just like Mango, let's bring your vision to life and make your store shine. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Catch you in the next video. Super quick, right? Ready to create your dream FAQ page? Just like Mango, let's bring your vision to life and make your store shine. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Catch you in the next video.